I'll guide you through how to send money from Revolut to another Revolut account instantly without paying a single penny in network fees or getting stuck behind delayed clearance cycles. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Unlike standard international bank transfers that rely on traditional clearing layouts or multi-day processing timelines, Revolut operates an internal peer-to-peer ecosystem. This means transfers between Revolut customers avoid external financial infrastructure gates completely, allowing capital to move safely and settle in under 20 seconds. To find another user instantly on the network, they must have their system visibility settings enabled. If they have disabled their discoverability toggles inside their application profile privacy ledger, your search queries will return an empty database screen. To begin the transfer, open your Revolut app, pass your biometric or security PIN screening, and look down at the primary navigation bottom menu. Tap the Payments tab to open your transfer ecosystem dashboard, and tap the search bar or the plus sign icon located at the top of the screen layout. You can pinpoint your recipient instantly in 3 different ways: browse your synced phone contact list, type their registered email address, or input their unique alphanumeric Revtag handle. Alternatively, if they are standing right next to you, tap your own profile icon, open your personal QR code, and let them scan it directly to link your profiles. Tap their active contact profile card and select Send to open the primary payment layout window. Choose the exact currency pocket you want to spend from, type in your target amount, and verify the processing metrics. To maximize your savings when dealing with foreign exchange, Revolut lets you choose who handles the conversion. You can enter the exact amount you want them to receive, and the platform will automatically pull the corresponding amount from your balance using the real-time, interbank mid-market exchange rate instantly. If you want, attach a text note, an emoji, or an animated GIF directly into the transfer layout. Review the final transaction summary ledger to confirm the transfer fee reads 0, and hit Send to push the capital into their digital wallet right away. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.